What's up YouTube, this is Aaron with Quality Service Today, plumbing out of Mebane, North Carolina. I'm going to go over real quick low water pressure in a kitchen faucet. There's several things you can do. If the plumber left your tool, this thing has a little clip on the back of it. I don't know if you can see that. It clips to the supply line underneath. You take your aerator out with it. It's a little wrench. These are more and more common in about all faucets. The other thing you can do is use a pair of needle nose. You can stick it in the little grooves and turn it that way. I've got the wrench, so I'm going to use the wrench. We're going to pull this thing out. There's a screen in there. It's all clogged up pretty nasty, pretty bad. Full of sand, grit, and silt. The other thing is you can take a pick or a knife and you can pop that screen out, and there'll be a little O-ring inside there. Restricts the flow. That's actually what it's called, is a flow restrictor. You take a needle nose or something and pick that O-ring out. I recommend keeping your screen on there because it'll keep from messing up this aerator. These things can be kind of pricey these days. And once you get that O-ring out of there, will block trash too. It'll pick up a bunch of trash. Pull that screen off the back side, clean that out real good. The other thing that you can do is this thing has a little push button here. You got to push it to get it to turn, lock. Unscrew your head. There's usually two little white things in there. You got to have the little picks, like the dental picks. Pull those out and take them out of there. They're little check valves. A lot of faucets have them in it, especially pull-out sprays. Just kind of restore your water pressure again. I hope that video is helpful.